Hello guys, welcome back to Chris Poly channel. This video I want to share about Global App update for 29 October 2021 maintenance update. But be noticed, all content on this Global App video was recorded on Global App server. So this is all content that will update on our live server in future. And mostly all this update will implement on Korea live server for next maintenance update. And following outside Korea server, if they already feel this content already ready to release outside Korea server globally. Okay, to enjoy watch my video, make sure you turn on this video subtitle, and also you can use timestamp that I already provide to go to target topic that you want. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notification to get any update and guide on Black Desert World. Okay, let's start this video content using any feature that I provide. Okay, this is official website for Global App update at 29 October 2021 update. First, about class rework, as they scheduled previously, today at 29 October 2021, this is the last wave for announcement class rework, especially for Ninja, Kunoichi, Mystic, Lan, and Berserker. And be noticed, after the 17 class got rework, in next Global App update, they will do balancing for all 17 class that they already reworked previously. And all this class rework balancing will based on your opinion for each class who already test on Global App server, and they will announce it later for this balancing until they feel ready to release it on official server in future, expected at end of this 2021. Okay, first class rework is Berserker. If you want to watch Berserker rework preview gameplay, I already compile Aether Awakening and Succession preview gameplay on this video. You can check it for more detail. But in this Global App video, I will highlight per Abyss focus for this class rework, especially for Berserker Succession. They just rework this Berserker Succession to become Beast. As you can see, some skill make this Berserker animation like Beast monster when activate its skill. And when you transform to become Beast, you will deal heavy damage and continuously heal your damage while fighting with enemies. And per Abyss focus, for this Berserker Awakening class rework, they will increase effectiveness for any Awakening skill, especially for PvE content. And more detailed change for this class rework, especially for Berserker, I already put link for this translated website in this video description. You can check it for more detail. But I didn't discuss it more detail for each skill because all this skill detail just temporary. Per Abyss will change all this skill if they feel necessary to change it. Okay, next class rework about Ninja. Same as Berserker, I already compile Ninja rework preview gameplay that per Abyss release on this video. You can check it for more detail. And for Ninja Awakening rework, per Abyss focus for reducing reliance on certain skill in combat, and per Abyss will focus to improve transition between main weapon and Awakening weapon more freely using some skill. Actually, for this week Global App update, Ninja class didn't have so much change for the tail skill, but some animation for this Ninja skill got changed either for Awakening and Succession. Okay, next for Kunoichi rework, same as before, you can check on this video. I already compile Kunoichi rework preview gameplay that per Abyss already released for this change. And for Kunoichi class rework, either for Succession and Awakening, per Abyss focus to improve utility and convenience when using any Kunoichi skill. And also special for Succession, they just add ninjutsu buff that will active if you use some Succession skill. As you can see on this video preview gameplay, this new rework Kunoichi just got some animation buff skill like word floating around her. And once again, more detailed info you can check on this video description. I already put link for this translated website in this video description because there are so much skill for this Kunoichi change on this list, either for Succession and Awakening skill. Okay, next about Mystic rework. Same as before, you can check on this video for compilation preview gameplay for Mystic rework either for Succession and Awakening that released by Per Abyss. And for Mystic rework, Per Abyss focus to link any skill to make this Mystic skill get more variative combo than before. And also special for Awakening skill, Mystic just got 2 new skill that can be learned when your Mystic class have reached level 57 and 58. As you can see, actually this is skill animation for this first skill, like throwing water from hand. And the second new skill is water kick like this, that's shown on this video. Okay, the last new class rework for this Global App update is Lan rework. Same as before, you can check on this video for Lan rework preview gameplay that Per Abyss release either for Awakening and Succession. For Lan Succession, Per Abyss focus to improve to perform surprise attack when Lan class gliding in the air. And also they still continue to work rework to improving combo for each skill after doing surprise attack from the air. And for Land Awakening, Prebis focus to improving any skill that less used previously by any player and reducing amount of stamina that consumed while using some skill. Actually, if you watch this preview video, some Land skill either Awakening and Succession got changed and become more faster than before. And for Land Awakening, they just changed some major skill for this Land Awakening. So if you play Land Awakening right now, your gameplay will be different when this class rework implement on live server. But be noticed, all these class change still not final. Prebis still do balancing for all class, and all the tail skill that's shown on this Global Lab update for this week still can be changed anytime. And also they just add some information for Musa and Maihua skill from previous class rework, and some fix for Wizard and Witch skill from previous rework. Okay, that's all class rework for this week update. And next about Global Lab server improvement. After this week Global Lab update, if you play Black Desert Global Lab server, if you delete your character, they just change waiting period to become only 3 minutes before this deletion apply. So you can test more class on Global Lab server without need to wait 30 days deletion time. And also after this week Global Lab update, if you create new character on Global Lab server, your character will automatically reach level 63, because previously if we create new character on Global Lab server, we just have level 60, but level for any previous character that created still not changed. And also on Global Lab server, they just change some item that sell on special NPC Eura, like Eura Tome, that have function like you already finishing any adventure log and Kasarka Barrier of Infestation content. And also they just add any Elvia enhancement material for accessory on this Eura Stone box. And last, you can purchase Black Spirit Claw piece and Deep Sea Memory from Eura NPC on Global Lab server. Okay, next content improvement that will apply on live server in future. They will add special summoning method for Ancient Relic Crystal Summon Scroll. As you can see, this is how it's look for new interface when you try to do this scroll in party with new method. And be noticed, each player must have same number as party leader offer from this menu, and party leader can freely choose either 1 scroll until 5 scroll. For example, on this screenshot, this party leader use 5 scroll at the same time, so any other party member must have 5 pieces scroll too to offer on this one run. And because all of them offer 5 pieces scroll, they will encounter this Relic Summon Scroll level 5. And as you can see on this table, actually if each party member offer less number scroll, either 1, 2, 3 or 4, they will encounter lower level for the summoning boss. At level 1, it means each party member just offer 1 piece scroll. This summoned boss recommended just 150 AP, and this boss difficulty will increase for each level depend on number scroll that offer by each party member. At maximum at level 5, that each party member need to offer 5 pieces scroll at the same time, and will summon summoned boss that recommended 260 AP or higher. The more powerful boss will appear, you also will get more reward by defeating them. And if you do this content, all party member will get same reward, and I think they will remove quest reward from this scroll when you using this new method to use this summoning scroll. But sadly, I cannot test it on Global Lab server right now, and this content will update in official server, expected on Korea server next week maintenance update, and they will improve it to be applied for Cartian Spellbook and Pilave scroll. So by this update, you can extract memory fragment from this scroll without need to spend so many time when opening this scroll one by one using conventional method. And by doing this content, for example, if you do level 5 like on this screenshot, in one summoning boss, this is same like you do this scroll 25 times, 5 pieces for each party member. So actually this is great update to us as player to get memory fragment in future. Okay, next future update about quests. In future, if you doing main quest and meet some crossroad, they will add some marker on its option for this crossroad if you already finished this crossroad previously using another character in your family. So you can choose any crossroad for this main quest that you never do it before to get more knowledge for your family. Okay, next change for Conquest War. In future, on Conquest War, they will add another option to get winning condition, because previously they just introduced point system to winning this Conquest War. Actually, this point system still there, but they just add another winning condition if your guild success access to destroy all fort from all participant guild on this conquest war. You also categorized as winner, and the reward between this point system and destroying all fort will be different. If you winning conquest war by point system or destroying all fort, you still can get 2 billion silver from this conquest war reward, and also number brilliant of honor still same. You still can get 84 pieces brilliant medal of honor, but another reward like ancient spirit dust, crown stone, loot scroll, and glory battlefield scroll, you will get more number if you winning this conquest war by destroying all fort. And also for guild outfit, they will change time to start wear this guild outfit to become 1 hour before start of conquest war. And also color decision by system also will apply 1 hour before start of this conquest war, so you have time to prepare when wearing this guild outfit and assemble some strategy by knowing your color for your guild. And also information about this color also start 1 hour before this conquest war start. Maybe you can get some information from your opponent guild color to identify them more easy. And requirement to wear this guild outfit still same as before. And also they just add announcement for family name that have successful destroy fortress or command post during Node War and Siege War. So by this update you can know player family name who destroy fortress or command post during Node War and Siege War. But I didn't know this mechanic is counted for last hit or player who deal the most damage for fortress or command post during Node War on Siege War. So just wait until future update for this implementation. And next in future they will change number guild war hero during Node War and Siege War. Depend on tier on Node War, follow on this table. You can check it for more detail. And next about user interface, they just add special button to make guild party or platoon. If you click this button on your guild page, you will go to search party or platoon menu, and same as before you can promote your party or platoon using this function on your guild chat. And also for user interface, especially for mount icon, and in future they will change this mount icon to become available for any character who less than level 10. And also for example, if your mount dies like this, they just add new icon for this mount icon user interface to become like this. And if you right click this icon when your mount dies, you will automatically pointed to nearest table keeper that you can find it on your minimap or world map, so you can know more detail if your mount just die. And for new player didn't confuse to find and recover their mount on stable keeper. And also another fix and change, but I think all of this not too a big deal. Okay, that's all Global Lab update for 29 October 2021 maintenance update. And special thanks to all my membership for direct support via Patreon, Karya Karsa, and YouTube membership. And also my current member, Zekru, Dubiadut, Jimmy Snake, Doki, Aganim Scepter, Renegades X, Aegis 2 Guild from NA server, Gospel, Homie, Ayrton, Tepan Gaming, Killsteel, Wemi, Clouty, Davin Jeonchung, Edward Mabolim as gold member, and also all my silver and bronze member. Thank you so much for all your direct support. This will make Chris Poly channel running and growing more faster. If you want to support me directly, I will very grateful. And as special thanks, I will put your name on my video, depend on your support level. And be noticed for some level there are have some limit, so make sure you didn't get run out for this limited space. And I will put your name on every subsequent video that I release for the duration of your support. And if you want to join my membership to support me directly, you can go to any platform for Patreon, Karya Karsa, and YouTube membership. I already put link for this membership on this video description, or you can check on top right of this video. I already put card for Patreon link. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe to my channel for another guide and update. Thank you for watching. See you next time.